Want to use Microsoft Teams effectively for work? Whether you're working with a small team or a larger organization, Teams can bring chats, meetings, files, and collaboration into one place. In this guide, I'll show you the essential features you need for everyday work. So let's get started. First, sign in to Microsoft Teams with your work or school account. Open your profile menu and check your name, status, notifications, and device settings. Make sure your microphone, speakers, and camera are using the correct devices before you join meetings. Use chat for quick conversations with coworkers. Start a new chat, search for a colleague, and send your message. You can also create group chats, share files, and use mentions when you need someone's attention. The newer Teams experience can organize chats and channels together or separately, depending on your preference. For ongoing projects, use Teams and channels. Think of a team as the larger work group and a channel as a focused space for a project, department, or topic. Standard channels are available to the team, while private and shared channels can provide more limited access. Instead of sending every project update through private chat, post important information in the relevant channel. This keeps conversations organized and makes information easier for the team to find later. You can reply to posts, mention coworkers, and continue discussions in threads. For meetings, open Calendar to see your upcoming schedule. You can create a new meeting, add attendees, choose a time, and send the invitation. When it's time to meet, select Join, check your microphone and camera, and enter the meeting. Teams meetings support audio, video, and screen sharing. During a work meeting, you can mute your microphone, turn your camera on or off, open meeting chat, view participants, and share your screen. Meeting chat is also useful for sending links or information without interrupting the speaker. Teams is also useful for working on documents together. Files shared in a channel are stored through the Teams SharePoint site, while files shared in chats are stored in OneDrive for business. You can open, share, and collaborate on supported files directly from Teams. When a message needs someone's attention, use an @mention to notify a specific person or group. Then customize your notification settings so important messages don't get buried while less important alerts don't constantly interrupt you. For everyday work, try keeping projects in channels, quick questions in chat, meetings in Calendar, and shared documents in the appropriate team or channel. This simple structure makes it much easier to find things later instead of searching through dozens of messages. And that's how to use Microsoft Teams for work. Start with chat and channels, manage meetings through Calendar, collaborate on files, and customize notifications to match your workflow. So once you organize Teams around your projects, it becomes a much more useful workspace for everyday collaboration.